What's going on? It's your boy Mike Lees, and we're back. Lees Reviews. Tonight's snack: Planters Festive Fan Cliffs, toasted marshmallow, hot chocolate cashews. It is the season. Let's see if these get some good snack points, or are we gonna be like, nah. So that bag looking like, you can see clusters, that chocolate, hot chocolate, let's see the clusters of these, hot chocolate looking. See the chocolate on there? The glaze. Let's see how it tastes. Kind of tastes like they dipped these in some hot chocolate and dark chocolate and came back with this. I mean, it's not bad. It's pretty decent. I give these 7.2. I definitely give them again. It's not something I just gotta die to have, but they're good. It'll do the job. I'm not mad at it. It's the season. It's festive. It'll probably go good also in the dessert or something. Well, I don't know. Check out a few more of these, and you already know. I'm gonna watch some anime. Anime is life. It's your boy Mike Leezy. Leezy Reviews. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'm out. You got it.